Good morning friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss one more question which came in the Wipro written test recently. These kind of questions will help the students who are preparing for Wipro and other company written tests. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First let me read out the question, then I will discuss the solution with you. Look at the question. A company wishes to bucketize their IDs for better search operations. The bucket for the item ID is chosen on the basis of the maximum value of the digit in the item ID. Write a C program to find the bucket to which the item ID will be assigned. For an example, they have given input as 7893 and output is 9. So I hope you have understood the question. I hope. If not, let me discuss for you. What they are telling, let's take that a bucket is there from 0 index with 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. If you take any digit, let's take that you are taking digit 789. What they are telling you is that where you can keep this digit is 789 is that find the digit which is maximum among all the digits. Look at here. If you take this number 789, what are the digits are there? 7, 8, 9 are the digits. Now among them, which is the largest digit or the maximum digit? 9. So at the index 9, you can place this value 789. Similarly, let's take that I am taking 365. Among them, what are the digits are there? 3, 6, 5 are the 3 digits are there. Among them, which is the maximum digit? 6. At index 6, you can place this number called 365. Similarly, if you take 2, 3, 1, among them, which is the maximum digit? 3. So at the index 3, you can place this number 231. That is what they are doing here. So for us, what they are asking us to do, write a C program to do this task for any number. Okay, not only for this number, for any number, if we have to find the maximum digit in that number. Okay, so I hope you have understood the question by this time. Now let me discuss what is the logic I need to apply to solve this question. So what I have to do, first I need to find each digit. Okay, how can I find the digit? Suppose let's take that I have 789. How I can find the digits? By using the modulus operator and the division operator, I can find the each digit. So first what I will do is that I will apply the modulus operator on this entire number. What I will get? I will get the digit 9. Meaning is that I will get the remainder, which is nothing but the last digit. I will assume that last digit is the maximum digit among this all the digits. Then what I will do? I will apply the division. Okay, on this number, I will write it as n is equal to n by 10. Then 789 by 10, I will get the quotient as 78. Then again, I will apply the modulus. I will get 8. I will compare 9 and 8. Which is large? 9 is still the maximum digit compared to the 9 and 8. So I will keep this as a maximum digit. Then what I will do? Again, I will apply the division. Now I will get 7. Again, I will apply the modulus. I will get the 7. 7 and 9, what I will get? 9 as the maximum. So I will display the 9 as the maximum digit. So I hope you have understood what is the logic I need to apply to solve this question. Now let me write a C program to do this task. So if I want to write a C program, first I need to include the header file, which is stdio.h, which is a standard input output header file. And I have to write void main, which is a predefined function, and every function will have a return type. This function void, if I am specifying, it does not return any value. Now what I need to do, I need to declare one variable called n of an integer. Then what I will ask the user to enter the number with the help of printf function. So enter the number. Once the user has entered the number, I need to read that number. So scanf %d ampersand n. Now I will declare two variables called M and P, anything. Is it clear? Max, or let me make you understand, let me take it as max, and another temporary variable I will take it as P. So first what I will do, max is equal to n modulus 10 I will do. Okay, then I will do n is equal to n by 10. Okay, let me write in a single line to use this space in an optimal way. Okay, because we have less space, we have to use it in an optimal way. Okay, is it clear? Now what I will write, while n. Okay, while n. Now look at here, what I should do. Now let's take a number called 7893. Max is equal to 7893 by modulus 10. I will get 3. So max is equal to 3 right now. Okay. And n is equal to n division 10. 7893 by 10, you will get 789. So while n 789, if this one is other than 0, then the condition is true. 789 is other than 0, so this condition is true. If this condition is true, what I have to do? Okay, first what I will do is that I will identify another digit. So what I will write is that P is equal to n modulus 10 I will do. Okay, so what I will get now? I will get P as 9. So I will compare M max and P. Is it clear? So if max is less than P, then what I need to do? I need to do max is equal to P. Okay, then n is equal to n division 10. Okay, let me end the while loop. Is it clear for you? If you does not understand, let me discuss with a simple example. Take this number, or not only this number, any number you can take, but for your understanding, let me take this input 7893. Okay, so now look at here. User has entered n value as 7893 initially. Okay, n is having 7893. Okay, now max is equal to n modulus 10. 7893 modulus 10. You will get always the modulus operator will give you the remainder. So you will get 3 here. So max is having 3 right now. Now n is equal to n by 10. Always the division operator will give you the quotient. 7893 by 10, you will get the quotient as 789. Okay, now while n 789 is other than 0, so this condition is true. If this condition is true, what are the statements which are there will be executed? What is the first statement? P is equal to n modulus 10. What is n? 789. 789 modulus 10, you will get P is equal to 9. Now you will compare this condition, meaning is that you will check this condition. Max is less than P or not. What is max? Is consists of 3. P is having the value 9. So 3 is less than 9. Yes, this condition is true. If this condition is true, our assumption is wrong. We have assumed that the last digit is the maximum digit. But we have now found that the max digit is not the last means the last digit is not the maximum digit. Okay, is it clear? Then what we have to do? We have to now say that whatever the digit is there in the P is the maximum digit. So what I am doing, max is equal to P. Whatever the value which is there in the P, I am assigning to the max. Now P is having the value 9. So max will get the value 9. Is it clear? Now again what I am doing, n is equal to n by 10. Why? Now I need to find another digit which is 8. How can I find? I have to make this 789 as a 78. Then I will apply the modulus. To do that one, 789 as 78, n is equal to n by 10. 789 by 10, you will get the quotient as 78. Now while n is having value 78 which is other than 0. So this condition is true. If this condition is true, again we will execute the statements. Look at here, P is equal to n modulus 10. N is 78. 78 modulus 10, you will get the remainder as 8. So P will get the value 8. Okay. Now again you will check the condition. Max is less than P or not. What is max? Is consists of now 9. P is consists of 8, 9 is less than 8. Wrong. This condition is false. If this condition is false, this statement will not be executed. Is it clear? Then you will come to this n is equal to n by 10. 78 by 10 you will get 7. While 7, yes, 7 is other than 0, this condition is true. Again you will execute the statement. P is equal to n modulus 10. N is 7, 7 modulus 10 will be, remainder will be 7, so P will get the value as 7. Again you will check the condition, max is less than P or not. What is having the max? 9, and P is having the value 7. 9 is less than 7, wrong. 9 is greater than 7, so this condition is false. If this condition is false, this statement will not be executed. It will execute this statement, n is equal to n by 10. N is having value 7. 7 by 10, you will get the quotient as 0. Okay, are you able to understand? While 0, the condition is false. If this condition is false, it will come out from the while loop. Now what you have to digit? What you have to display? The value which is there in the variable called max, that value you have to display. So printf, or let me use the black marker so that it will be visible for you properly. Printf, the maximum digit is %d max. Okay, then I will write the get ch and I will close the main function. So this is the way you can solve this question. If you have any other idea, sir, instead of writing these many statements, I can write it simply. Yeah, do it, please do it, and write it in the comment section. I will verify whether your solution is right or wrong. If your solution have some mistakes, I will correct you. Is it clear? So I hope you have understood what are the concepts I have discussed in this video is clear. If you still have any doubts, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.